Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Raji Muhammad Sadiq, and in this video, I will be presenting my project, which is spam detection system using machine learning techniques. So without wasting any time, I'm going to jump right into the introduction. So first, what is spam? Spam refers to unwanted or irrelevant messages sent online, often in bulk or ads, for malicious reasons. This project uses machine learning with the Bayes algorithm and smart feature extraction to build a system that accurately detects spam emails. Next is the problem statement. So I've identified 3 problem statements, which are growing commonness of spam, insufficient spam detection accuracy, and complexity in implementing detection algorithms. Next is the proposed solution. The first is adaptive filtering using machine learning. Second is Bayes with feature extraction, and third is the simplified model integration process. So these 3 proposed solutions actually addresses each of the identified problem statements. So next is the methodology. So this addresses how the system is built. So the system uses Bayes to classify emails as spam or not, trained on 5,573 labeled emails from Kaggle. It applies TF-IDF for feature extraction and is built in Python, also deployed with Streamlit. Users get instant results evaluated by accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Now to the flowchart. This flowchart actually explains how the system fully works. So the flowchart on the right here, you can see that the user inputs the message and then user clicks the predict button, then extracts features from messages. Then the Bayes algorithm does the work. It decides if the message is spam or not, and it displays the result. It displays this is a spam or this is not a spam. And then that is the end of the process. The next is the flowchart for the Bayes algorithm itself. So the system starts with the user entering an email in a Streamlit interface, as we discussed. Then the Bayes cleans the text, extracts features like TF-IDF scores and HTML tags, and converts them into numerical vectors. Using the Bayes algorithm, it calculates the probability of the email being spam or not, and instantly shows the result as either this is a spam or this is not a spam. So as you can see on the right here, this flowchart explains how the Bayes process works. So next is the commercialization potential. So first we have the target market, which is email services providers, businesses, and cybersecurity firms. Next, value proposition: reduce spam threats, enhance inbox productivity, and improved email security. Scalability: it can be scalable by, it's easily adaptable to larger datasets and enterprise level email systems. Integration: it can be embedded into email clients or offered as a standalone API, of course. And then the revenue model: revenue can be done by, subscription-based service licensing and so on. So programming languages is Python with some libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, and Word Cloud. So this is the website interface here. You can see this is the dark mode and this is the light mode here. You will also see it now when I do the quick demo. And now I'm going to continue with a quick demo. So here I've opened the system. As you can see, email spam detection system, also with an introductory message here. And then I'm just going to paste an email to test the system. So here is a message here. I've pasted into the text field, and I'm going to click on check. So after clicking on check, you can see that it says this message is legitimate, not spam, and it shows a flowchart to back its decision, and also a word cloud. So you can see 4.7% spam content and 95.3% non-spam content. And of course, this is not the spam, and it gives a summary. For non-technical users, this will make them understand the output easily. Now, I'm going to test the system with another message, which is this. I'm going to check, and unfortunately this message is a spam according to the system. And yeah, you can see a flowchart here, 27% of non-spam content and 73% of spam content. And also you can see a word cloud here showing the most frequent words in the spam category, and also a summary for non-technical users to understand it easily. And this is the system, very simple, and as you can see, it works perfectly. So this will be the end of my presentation, and thank you very much.